First-time anglers arriving at Tulchan C will immediately be struck in awe at the sight of the Straan pool as it rolls out below the hut. It's an inspiring sight for a salmon angler, and they will be immediately drawn to the Straan's charm. The pool has a near perfect neck, a fast stream widening in its length, with plenty of lies for salmon to take a rest as they travel upstream. From the base of the neck, the pool opens out to a wide glide before slipping quietly over the lip and into the steep fast stream below known as the Cut. It's a magnificent salmon pool, and one of the jewels in Tulchan's crown without a doubt. It's one of the standout pools in all of the Spey, and I really look forward to fishing the Straan when I head up to Spey to fish the pools at Tulchan. I'm always full of anticipation when I head up to fish for salmon on the Spey. I'm particularly fond of the beats at Tulchan, with the months of May and June being prime time here. It's a river that's been kind to me over the years, and I hope that she continues to bless me with her silver salmon to my fly for years to come. I'm fishing on Tulchan C beat today, which lies around 10 miles northeast of the town of Grantown-on-Spey. The hut sits at a commanding position to view the Straan. It's a delightful structure, and a fitting setting on this wonderful stretch of water. Luckily for me, the Rota has been kind, and I'll get the first run of the day through the Straan. Of course, it's not always the case that the first through the pool will come out with a fish. Salmon can be moody and unpredictable, and it could well be the case the first through the pool simply aggregates the fish for the angler coming in next. I really hope that's not the case today. I'm going to head over to the south bank on the opposite side from the hut to fish the pool this morning. Despite having fished this pool many times, I must admit to having not cast a single fly from the north bank. I don't think I've even considered it. I don't know why. I'm sure with the right height it would surely produce a fish or two. If anyone watching has experience of fishing the north bank of the Straan, please leave your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I've settled on this Ness C pattern to start with today. It's not a fly I've used before, but it's caught my eye, so I'll give it a swim. I'll start high up in the neck as usual and work my way down the pool. I've worked my way through the neck and I'm heading into the glide. I've not seen anything move yet, but as often is the case, the fish are there, they're just not showing. There is a bit of soul searching to be done when salmon fishing with nothing showing, but it's a case of keep going and change your setup if necessary. Oh, there's a pull. That's a fish, and a decent one at that. The fly was coming around into the slacker water and the fish grabbed at the fly. I can feel by the power this is a good fish. I'm able to bring it in quite easily and it's not pushing out away from me, which is surprising. I can feel it shaking its head. Oh, that's it woken up a bit now. I'll just keep recovering line but let it run a little when it wants to. I'm using my 3 3/4 Farlex click and pull today. It's got a great sound on it, and I do like a noisy reel. I know many anglers don't, but I just love hearing the reel sing. The fish is pushed out a bit now and is holding itself in the current. This is a situation I'm always unsure what to do. Should I crank it in or let it sit there? I'm always concerned it's recovering strength and that will lengthen the fight. Equally, I don't want to force it in and risk losing it. It's a bit of a Mexican standoff, I guess. Let's just see what it does next. He's coming in now, and I've got him in a short line. Well, there he is, a bar of silver. That's the end of my tip in the rod now, so I'm only going to be 15 foot at most out now. Very close. I'll see if I can hold him here. It's It's decided it's going upstream after all. It's working its way slowly up the pool. I'll keep it tight and try not to give it any more line. Oh, it didn't like that amount of tension, did it? Nice to see it in the air though. What a bar of silver. It's turned downstream again. This fish has still got a lot of energy and it's not giving up without a fight. I'll just keep trying to keep it tight and tire it out. It's pushed right out and keeps heading downstream. I'm giving it a really hard time with the covering line against its will. It's fighting, but I think I'm going to have to keep playing it hard now. Well, it didn't like that one bit, and it's taken off across the pool again. It's amazing how much strength is still in this fish. I'm applying the brake on the slope to slow it down, but it's still taking line, and I'm back where I started at. I brought it back in close now without too much incident. It's right up in the shallows and it's boiling on the surface. I've done enough salmon fishing to know when a fish is done, and this fish isn't there yet. I'll just keep the pressure on. I get it stopped and rein it back in close again. It definitely feels weaker, so hopefully it'll come in now. That's it in close and it's turned outside. It's had enough. This is a testing time. I keep winding the line in as I approach so I can keep the tension on. This fish may be beaten, but it's not landed quite yet. I notice it's got itself tailed up and it's coming in backwards. That's not good for the fish. So I abandon the tension and just grab it by the tail. It's actually twice wrapped itself, so it's a fair job to get it free without losing my grip. All salmon anglers will know just how hard it can be keeping hold of these fish. Anyway, that's it free now. I'll keep it in the water and give it some time to calm down while we get a look at it. How's that for a Spey salmon? Absolutely perfect. I'd say 9 or 10 pounds. I'll get it unhooked and get its head pointing upstream till it recovers. It takes a wee while, but there it is. A kick of the tail and it's off. A fine fish from Straan to start the day. If you enjoyed this presentation, please remember to hit like and subscribe to the channel.